After fetching results with the under-19 men's cricket team, Rahul Dravid has been appointed as the coach for Team India for the upcoming Sri Lanka tour. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly confirmed on Monday that Dravid will be taking care of the lineup for the short series. The squad will be led by Shikhar Dhawan, while Bhuvneshwar Kumar will be serving as his deputy. The team has already started institutional quarantine for 14 days in Mumbai. He has been greatly appreciated for what he did with the under-19 team. Even his disciple Shubham Gill agrees that he is different from what people think. Gill in an interview said that while people think that he will be focusing on technical aspects, but that is not the case. He makes an effort to enhance the tactical aspects of a player, and that really helped a lot, said Gill. Even experts say that with Rahul Dravid heading the coaching for under-19 team, the bench strength has been greatly increased. Shubham Gill has been proved to be a reliable batsman on a lot of occasions. Though he failed to perform with his bat this time in IPL, there have many earlier incidences where he has impressed the selectors. This time, Prithvi Shaw has also made it to the team after his superb performance in Vijay Hazare Trophy and IPL. Shaw is explosive with the bat, and that will play a huge role in providing momentum to the Indian team. Talking about the resumption of IPL matches, Sourav Ganguly stressed that the issue of tax exemption is yet to be resolved.